Okay, now we're going to make things a little bit more fun, but a little bit more trickier. Nothing's complicated. It's the same process. So let's recap. When the green flag is clicked, the B sprite, as we have B clicked, goes to X position of spaceship or Y position of spaceship. So when we do this, it follows along. So it's behind the spaceship there. So now let's add a little bit more technology. We want to make sure the B is clicked, and we're going to click on looks, and we're going to have it hide. So just to make it clear. So when we do this, it's always behind, and that's the point. So it's hidden right now, and we're going to go into we're going to add a conditional statement called control, and we're going to find the if and then bit here, and we're going to add that in, and we're going to then add in from sensing, so it can sense the key space pressed, and we're going to add that in there, and we're going to make a copy of the go to X position of spaceship, Y position of spaceship. I'm going to drag that out for a second, duplicate, put this just over here, and put all the Lego back, as I like to call it, and we're going to put this in there. So if key space is pressed, then go to X position of spaceship. And then finally, we're going to add into this through the looks section, the show. So let's see if at this point it shows up. There we are. So it's just 100% confirming it, and it's giving it these software instructions to show that when it moves when the green flag is clicked. Okay, so if you can follow that and make sure it's in the B section, you're going to add the hide, then the if then statement. So if key space pressed, then go to XY. So let's try that one more time. I'm going to press key space, and there we go. So follow along with that, and I'll see you in the next video.